Good morning, students. Good morning. How are you today? Today we will learn what daily activity is.
Listen carefully. I wake up at 6 a.m. Repeat after me.
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Now pay attention. What time do you going to school?
We going to school at 7 a.m.
Now work in pay.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Now please tell your daily activities.
I wake up at 5 a.m. I take a bath and have breakfast and I go to school.
I wake up at 6 a.m. I have breakfast, then I go to school.
Good job, student. Thank you